Okay, congrats on making end of course. I hope you are able to follow along with all of the example and the session and hope that you find all material useful. And now you are able to create your own RESTful API by using the ASP.NET Web API and the Entity Framework. I will place all of the example on a GitHub so it might be helpful for you. You can also refer the Microsoft official documentation for the Web API, which is really nice. It contains the more details about the routing, OData, serialization, error handling, testing, debugging, authentication, and more. I want this last opportunity to say that if you have any question or feedback regarding to the course or you want to get in touch with me, then you can send me mail or post query in the question answer section or the comments. If you like the course, then please give the positive rating, which will inspire me to create a more course. So thank you again for taking course and best of luck for creating your own RESTful API by using the ASP.NET or Web APIs.